Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is the beneficent and merciful. Khushamdeed. Welcome to Beria College. PNT teacher Haris Khan. Subject Mathematics class. Metric Federal Board. Chapter number 2. Theory of the quadratic equation. 2.6. Topic synthetic division. Lecture V. A long method is a simple division. Objective in this unit. Students will be able to find synthetic 14. Synthetic division. Synthetic division is the process of finding the quotient and remainder when a polynomial is divided by a linear polynomial. In effect, synthetic division is a simple or short of a long division method. Simple division is division. Use synthetic division to find quotient and a remainder when x square minus 7x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Solution: x square minus 7x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. As a x plus 1 as a consider equal to the 0, because when division the remainder is equal to the 0, and we know that this is a factor, we consider this is a factor of the equation. So a is equal to the minus 1. That's no, write the coefficient of the divided in the row of a is equal to minus 1. All coefficient x square coefficient is a 1, x coefficient is a minus 7, and 1 is a minus 1. Then minus 1 first member of the x square coefficient is as it is, write the down as the like to the arrow, show that the arrow, and like 1. 1 multiply the minus 1 is equal to the minus 1. This is the second dividend. It's put in the down of the 7 minus 1. 1 minus 1 multiply minus 1. 7 minus 1 is the 6. Again multiply the 7 multiply minus 1 is equal to the minus 6. This is a down in the minus 1 is a constant value, and minus 1 minus 6 minus 7. Quotient 1 and 6. 6 is as a consider constant, and 1 is a consider for x. Then x plus 6 is a quotient, and remainder r is equal to minus 7. Second question: 4x cube minus 5x plus 15 divided by x plus 3. Solution: add x plus 3 x and a minus plus and a 3, and a is equal to minus 3. Now write the coefficient of the divide in a row a is equal to minus 3 on the left side. Then give the values 4x cube. This is a missing the power x square. Its coefficient is 0. Then put the 0. 4 0. It is a minus 5 is a coefficient of the x, and 15 is a constant. Minus 3 4 is as it is like the arrow is show that the down is right. Then minus 3 multiplied by 4 is minus 12. 0 minus 12 is equal to minus 12. Minus 15 minus 12 and minus 3 multiply the each other, the product is the 36, and write down the minus 5. Then minus 5 36 31 is a positive value. 31 multiply the 3 minus 93. Minus 93 and a 15 are subtracted over each other, then get the value minus 78. Quotient qx, this is the values, show that the 31 minus 78 is the remainder. Other values are 31 minus 12 and 4. 31 x power 0 minus 12 x power 1 and 4 as a x square. Then values is a 4x square minus 12x plus 31 is a quotient. Then third question: x cube plus x square minus 3x plus 2 divide the x minus 2. Solution: x cube plus x square minus 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 2. X plus 2 is equal to the x minus 2. A is equal to the put the 2. Then now write the coefficient are divided in the row a is equal to the 2 on the left side. Then again procedure is the follow: x cube coefficient is a 1, x square coefficient is a 1, and x coefficient is minus 3 and constant value is 2. 1 x cube coefficient is write down the same in the process as like to the arrow show that the right same value in the write down in the after the line. 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to the 2, 2, 1, 3, 3 multiplied by 2 is a 6, product is 6, write down the minus 3 and minus 3 plus 6 is equal to the 3. Then 3 multiply the 2, then is equal to the 6, write down the 2. Last constant value is the constant values when 6 is the write down the after the 2 constant in the constant value. 2, 6, 8. The remainder is the 8, 3, 1, 3 and 3. 3 first 3 after the remainder 3 or right hand side to show that the arrows 3, 3, 3. 3 is the constant value, 3x power 0. Next 3 is the x to power 1. Next value 1 is the x square. The given value is the x square plus 3x plus 3 is the quotient. Find the value of a using synthetic division. If 3 is a 0 of the polynomial, find the value of h. The value a is equal to the h. The value is polynomial 2x cube minus 3h square plus 9. Solution. Function of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3h x square plus 9 and its 0 is a 3. P0 is a 3. The remainder equal to the 0. 3 is the root of this equation. Then by synthetic division, again procedure is as follows. Make the 2 is a coefficient of x cube and x square coefficient minus 3h. X is a missing, x square after the x is a missing, then value is the put is a 0 and constant value is a 9. 2 is write down in the after the line, then get the values 2 and 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 minus 3h plus 6 is equal to 6 minus 3h. Again multiply the 3 multiply the 6 minus 3h equal to the product is equal to the 18 minus 9h is a write down the 0 and get the values is a 0 plus 18 minus 9h 18 minus 9h. Again multiply 18 minus 9h is equal to the 3, then get the values is equal to 9 upon 54 minus 27h and get the value 63 minus 27h. Remainder is 63 minus 27h. Since 1 is a 0 of the polynomial, therefore 63 minus 27h is equal to the 0. Because 3 is the root of this equation, put the values of the remainder is equal to the 0. Because the roots give the value is the 0. 3 is a 0. 63 minus 27h is equal to 0. Again 63 is going the right hand side, minus and minus are cancelled from each other. 27 multiply the h and divide the right hand side, 63 by 27 and 23 9 3 is a 27 and 9 7 is a 63. H value is 7 by 3. This is the answer of the h. Minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial 2x cube 5x minus 23 is 3. When ascending order solution get the value 2x cube plus 0x plus 5hx plus minus 23. Solution px is equal to 2x cube plus 0x plus 5hx minus 23. It is a 0 in the minus 1. Any descending order in x is not give the coefficient is a 0. Then by the synthetic division, minus 1 is write the left hand side and consider the vertical line after the mention the coefficients of the given equation. 2 is the coefficient of x cube, x square coefficient is 0 and 5h is the coefficient of x and minus 23. Minus 1 is a 2 is a write down as it is in the like show that the arrow, and 2 multiply minus 1 is a minus 2 and get write down the 0. Then 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. minus 2 multiply minus 1 is product is 2. 5h plus 2 is equal to the 5h plus 2, give the value after the sum. Then get the value, again multiply 5h plus 2 multiply the minus 1 and get the value minus 5h minus 2 minus 23 and a minus 2 is a minus 25 is the sum of the minus 5h minus 25. It is the remainder 5h minus 25. Since minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial, the remainder is equal to the 0. Then get the value as a procedure. Minus 25 going to the right hand side. Minus 5 multiplied the 25 is equal to the minus 5 multiplied the 25. Minus 5 is divided by the 25 is divided by minus 5 minus 5 and the 5 is the 25 minus 1 5. The h value is minus 5. Use the synthetic division into the find of the L and M, two unknown variables. If x plus 3 and x minus 2 are the factor of the polynomial. When two unknown variables present, then two given values are give each other solution. Since x plus 3 and x minus 2 are the factor of the px equal to x cube plus 4x square plus 2lx plus m, therefore x is equal to the minus 3 and x is equal to the 2 or a 0 of the polynomial p of x. Now by the synthetic division, then first put the minus 3 and as a procedure get the remainder m minus 6l plus 9 remainder equal to the 0, and it is the first equation give, and again second factor divided by the 2 and 1 4 12 m is a previously equation of the question, and write down the one as the procedure and get the values. Remainder is m plus 4l plus 24. Remainder m plus 4l plus 24. Since 2 is a 0 of the polynomial is the root of the equation, therefore m plus 4l plus 24 is equal to 0. Remainder is equal to the 0. This is the second equation of the second equation, because first equation and second equation are solved from each other. Now subtract equation 2 from equation 1, we get the value m minus 6l plus 9 is equal to 0 is the first equation. M plus 4l plus 24 is equal to 0 is the second equation, and when subtract sign will be changed, minus minus and minus, plus m is minus and 4l is a minus and 24 is a minus. M and minus m are cancelled from each other, then get the values, and minus 10l minus 25. Minus 10 are multiply the l and go to the right hand side, divide the minus down the 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are. This is the value of l, unknown value, unknown variable l, or give the value minus 3 by 2 and put the value in the equation 1. That next put l is equal to minus 3 by 2 in the equation, then get the values. 2 3 is a 6, 9 and a 9 is a 18. Go to the right hand side and m is equal to minus 18, and thus l is equal to minus 3 by 2 and m is equal to minus 18. This is work. You know that class matrix federal board homework is the chapter number 2, exercise 2.6. Do complete part of the 2.6 also practice. Thank you beta. Save your life.